Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Hey guys, yabona state. Hey, Mnis is on top of that state. Lies. Akadlali nabo. It's just like I will show you flames and I'll show you who I am. And it's crazy how all the witnesses are coming with him. I'm just like, oh no, man. I get it. So he has two people, right? Accused number 1 and accused number 3. It's understandable. But see, when is Mshalolo gonna bring a witness? She's never at court. Uzobe, thank you, my lord, for indulgence. I'm so sorry I wasn't here. I'm just like, until when, sis? Finally go accuse number 5, guys. I've always said, we're just trying to clear his name. We're just trying to clear his name, right? It's understandable. But she must be at court, sis. Or advocate Zandile Mshololo. Ufisa ukuthi Ntuli accuse number 5. He will never really come out of jail after no Peggy exposed him at ad hoc ukuthi loyo babuye bamkhiphe and he does more crimes for certain people, high profile people, and then go back to jail again. So it's clear that he'll never come out, but he did not and a life sentence on that guy. It's important that his name is actually cleared. But Unxumalo uzoletha a witness. So basically all the witnesses that are lined up there, if you look at them, it's because of late Thulani Mngomezulu. Especially uGwabini. Ngiyambona ku-Absalom. But I guess both of them, both of them, Mngomezulu doesn't play with anybody. I even feel he's still working on the other side of Mngomezulu. It's just like, what? Ngizobabonisa. I'll show them exactly how I had said it. Long way short. Senzo. What are you even on about when? What's injalo nje, my lord? I'm not moving from that statement. I'm not backing down. Yo, guys, that case is just in another level. I'm sure that internationally they're just like, South Africa. What's going on there? Look, there's no case like this, guys. In the Ingabina nothing. Uratanje is always on the side. This past week. Let's pull my God. Baloyi? So what do you think, Baloyi? Like, guys. And Ubaloyi is always lost. Lomut is actually in a trance. If you've noticed, he's not himself. Sometimes Ubaloyi I even feel good he's not there. He's emotionless, Ubaloyi, guys. If you've realized. He's in another world, Loamutulu, and sometimes I think he's at the back of his mind. It's just like, when is it gonna finish? I'm so exhausted of these lies. Because you know. But is like we're going to continue. You know, Ratsakazimtal. And this thing here that I'm busy saying good is actually old. He's 80 years old, yeah. Keeps on coming up. It's creeping up on him all the time. Mugutimtala. This weekend he said so many things that are not right. Like the whole thing, yeah, good. About a statement, I know maybe there's a statement and is understanding lena that I was supposed to. I was just like, bruh, you never understand anything, but you did law. And then you come with your 50 years experience that's not even helping us. And he just wants to convict those guys. He wants to sentence those guys, Urat. He doesn't even care. And I think the word, when it came out, they were like, you are going to sentence them. We don't care how you do it. You are going to sentence them. But not on our watch. Not on our watch. It will never happen. Siyabukela nje namanje sizowahlangela ngale case sizohlangela umuntu. Guys, tomorrow we have a live at 8. Please come so that we can share some thoughts and just brainstorm around this whole situation. Wants to bring some more witnesses. Who do you think those witnesses are? Because there's the whole thing it could be a woman, a witness. So woman uKelly. Uzandile guys, you know which we don't need it anymore. Ngoba uzofika lapha again elebele khombana no accused elebele. You guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. Koswa sisi, please sit down. No one did anything to your family. Please stop. Performance guys, I'm just like, please. No one came to your house. You know very well good to petty brutal fruit on that day. No one came to your house. Uhambu ivalela sesikubiza umapopolo ivalele ma kamereni upopole on the thing. You were peeping on some hole there from the bedroom. Please, that lady is such a liar. Usantile kumete ube namanga like the person. She's been to court. I don't need her. They should never do anything for this case. She's on his own world. So we're looking at Kelly. We chat out. She can come now. Untomzoto their mother ngoba phela labo sisaba u2 abasiqambela amanga this whole time. This is why we are where we are actually. It's just two ladies. And then uKelly nosisi wakhe uZandi. Mase kuzoba mhlamba umaphiri ke ngoba kwathiwa ke cima clean cover up when esulana namagazi osenzo meyiwa. Like who even does that? Really? Who asked you? And obviously khona wamcela phela. I mean wayike kwathiwa usule wena. Awucimi. Please. If you want to see another day. Like yabona ukuthi le case intani. Abantu base next door. Passed on mysteriously. Next door. Ubavele bashona abantu. Ungazi ukuthi babulawa yini. So uyayizwa ukuthi sisasekude. And then another lady, guys, nani ngitsheleni abanye ama ladies that you think will come. Or it could be that lady unsabe saying futhi naye like istory lezi zaphandle yasasihlele emotweni, the lies that they came and said there. We saw the guys, they went to the park. You know my story about the park, right? Ukuthi some of the accused from running from the house, they went to the park. I'm like, they never came back from that park. There's nothing like that. No one ran to that park. Please stop. So nalo mhlawumbe sabe saying there's quite a few ladies that will think about it. Let me know kusasa mina at least I've mentioned mine ke yabo. Tomorrow we will share on our live at 8 p.m. on the 25th. And then we share with, okay, who else do we think could be our witness on Monday? This is on it. This is not playing with anyone. Whoever can do just right. Like, please. There's nothing else you're gonna do to me. You know? We are going to unpack more, guys, on our live. That is why I get Wozani. So that sizokhulumisana there at the live ukuthi yini kodwa le case ingasolveki life-ini ukuyibona le nto le ngoba now it states is angry again ukuthi kwaku Absalom, now it's Gwabini who's busy exposing us our lies, putting us on the spot la thina as state senzeni like kuyibona le nto le. No guys, states they like fabricating things, guys. Those people like cookie and manufacture things, and then they come back to court and think asbaboni. And we see right through them. Now, there was a 204 story. Like, for example, guys, you know, Gwabini was arrested for other things. The next thing, those are the things, guys, that Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Kininda does to people. He arrests, but it's not the first time, with the Senzo case, you know, right? That to arrest people that didn't do anything. But in jail, those are his things. Upila in jail, life. Even to this day, even today, chances are also arrested who didn't do anything. You know why? Also, guys, ne? What I'm saying is that he doesn't know when to stop Kininda anymore, because he's been doing it. When you're doing something all the time and people don't tell you, no, stop, don't do that. Ukininda is on that tip, and the whole thing of a power. It's more like, and then what? What are you gonna do? Pero, even when he speaks Ukininda, if you've heard him giving testimony there, there's crazy evidence, like he's got that thing yokuthi, so what? What are you gonna do? Like, what? He needs to be stopped, this guy. Otherwise, he is still going to continue for the rest of his life because une backup. That's where the problem is, including Urata is his backup singer. Baloyi miyeke ubaloyi, angithi Baloyi they decided together they had DPP. Ukuthi no, don't worry. We're gonna win this. Kuba mina kati. Ngazana no O'Sullivan mina. What are you gonna do to me? Usbiya is my backup. Who are you? I'm sure that's what he said to Baloyi. Baloyi was like, okay. No my show. Asiyenze. Guys, hayibo. We can't just sibukana nabantu for the rest of our lives like Senzo Meyiwa need justice, guys, nefamily yakhe. And Senzo Meyiwa for that matter. They need justice. But deserve. And Tina, some of us, like me, for example, I'm not going to stop making noise about umkaya wami until he gets the justice. I'm not even playing with anyone. It's the same as when Urata says he's gonna recall witnesses. Obviously, I mean, good top 3 ezobizwa vele uKininda. Guys, ukuthi uKininda azothi uAbsalom uyagula. That's unfair. This is why all the time it defense is like this is an unfair trial. Why would you want to call Brigadier Kininda again, guys, to do what? Ezothi people are lying. Absalom is lying and Ukabin is lying. Like, honestly, guys, I would have needs to stop, honestly. Like, he's wasting our time, this guy. Whatever money he's getting every month, honestly, singing up.
Is it please the court, my lord? My lord, I don't know how to put it, but let me say that at least there seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel. I don't know whether it's a torch, or it's a train light, or it's a moonlight, or it's a sunlight. But definitely there seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel, such that probabilities are that if all administration goes as we have started with them yesterday, probabilities are that on Monday we might be able to secure the attendance of a witness, my lords. We have started the process yesterday with the office manager. I think as we're speaking now, they're still busy with the process of trying to acquire all the dynamics and the modalities relating to the coming of that witness matters. May I therefore indicate that probabilities, as I'm saying, are that we could be able to proceed on Monday next week. May I therefore request that the matter be urgent to Monday on the probabilities that we could be proceeding.
So you have lined up how many witnesses Monday?
It is only that witness, my lord, because we don't know how long the testimony of that witness will last and up until its completion, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, okay. Yes, from Sepidi and your colleagues.
My lord, we do not have any objection. We are aware of the arrangements that are being made for the witness.
Thank you, my lord. The request is in order. Thank you.
No objection.
Mr. Baloyi.
The state does not have any objection either, my lord.
Okay, fine. It's out of my hands. So we adjourn until Monday then. But do you assure us that we shall have a witness Monday, Mr. Miss? Are you assuring us that we shall have a witness?
My lord, to say that I need to assure the court is be like saying I'm putting my head on the block, my lord.
Yeah, because unless you're saying that is your last witness, fine. Then if he doesn't turn up, fine, I can understand. It's your last witness. But if it's not your last witness, if he doesn't turn up, do you have a substitute witness also?
We looking, my lord, at if I were to state that in terms of percentages, 90 to 95%. I'm saying if I were to state the probability of the arrival of that witness in terms of percentages, I would say 90-95%.
So you have at least 2 witnesses remaining, at least.
At least, my lord, yes.
So if the other one doesn't turn up,
We'll quickly arrange the other one, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord.
Kusalungiswa-ke kusahlelwa-ke ukuthi ufakazi atholakale ngethemba lokuthi-ke ngomsombuluko uzoba khona-ke ufakazi icala lizohlehliswa-ke kuhlehliswa lomsombuluko ukuthi-ke kubizwe ufakazi olandelayo wakhe umnumzana uSibiya.
Okay, fine. Let's adjourn then until Monday.